Alright guys, so we finally made it after an all-day traveling event. It was about a 600-mile journey today after we went to Rifle Falls as well as Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park. So I'm going to give you a little rundown of our hotel here. We're staying at it's called the Omni Interlocken, and it's in Broomfield, Colorado. So this is a very nice hotel. It's actually I think it's a 4.5 or 5-star hotel. It's really, really nice. It reminds me of the one we stayed at in Snowmass called the Limelight. So let's start off real quick. Show you the bathroom, of course. Really clean setup here, as you can see. Got your sink. They got all the soaps and everything down here. And a couple hand towels and everything. What's this? Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh, cool. Cotton balls. Alright, so this is really nice though. And there's the logo, the Omni Hotels and Resorts. And then I'll show you over here. Here is the shower. Pretty standard. Pretty nice too. That's what that looks like there. Nice and clean. Then over here we got a couple of... This is the closet here. With some bathrobes, just like... See how they have their little logo. Oh, look at that. Automatic lights. That's cool. So yeah, we got a couple of bathrobes in there, extra comforters and stuff. There we go. And then this is what the room itself looks like. Really nice. Nice and wide too, similar to the one in Snowmass. Got a couple queen beds here. Nice pictures of the Colorado landscapes on the wall. There we go. Some mountain pictures. And then of course we got a seating area over there. A nice little desk, workstation. Then you got your TV, your Keurig with all the coffee K-cups. There we go. I like that donut shop one. That's really good too. And then down here we got, of course, the fridge. Let's see. Nice little mini fridge there. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much... Let's see what's over here. That's pretty much it though. Little ice box holder. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me take a look outside. I know it's gonna be pitch black here. You guys probably won't even see anything. But there's the city down there. Really beautiful. So basically the goal for tomorrow is we're going to head to El Dorado Canyon in Boulder, and we're gonna do a little bit more exploration around Colorado. Because tomorrow is our last full day. It's really sad. It's unfortunate too, because this trip went really, really quickly. We were on the go nonstop. But it was an amazing journey. Really loved it. Colorado is just a beautiful state, and I highly recommend you guys check it out because it's one of my all-time favorite states out west. Good morning, guys. It is our final day in Colorado, and today we are going to be exploring Boulder and featuring El Dorado Canyon. So it's going to be an awesome hiking day. We're going to go and explore that beautiful picturesque canyon. Nothing like a 7 a.m. swim. Really beautiful. Look at this. I don't know which one you want to go to. You want to go up here? Oh, yeah. Let me show you this, guys. There's also a nice little waterfall feature. This hotel is really beautiful. It's comparable to the Limelight in Snowmass. The pools are definitely better though than the Snowmass one. Really nice and huge. And then over here, there's a little waterfall. All right, guys, see you in the water.
Is this the life?
Yeah. There's our hotel in the distance, guys. Such a beautiful place. What a great way to wake up and start your day. Oh,
86.
refreshing. 86 degrees. Alright guys, we are now leaving the Omni Interlocken Hotel, and we are going to get some breakfast, and then we're going to head to El Dorado Canyon. I will see you guys there.